This is Vattakanal, just 7 kilometers from Kodaikanal. And today, we are setting foot on Tamil Nadu's best kept secrets. This is the Canopy Hills Trek. Worst case scenario, if it rains, this is gonna get harder. Ooh. That was close. Oh, almost fell off, man. What's up, Adrenaline Squad? Welcome back to another vlog. आज हम आए हैं और निकल पड़े हैं कोडाईकनाल की तरफ. मतलब कोडाईकनाल की तरफ नहीं, मतलब उसके पास में ही. We are going to Vattakanal and we have stopped here somewhere to eat. पर मैं तो already dinner करके आ गया. So I'm making this vlog here. So in some time we'll head to Kodaikanal or Vattakanal. I mean, पास में ही है दोनों भी, like they're just 7 kilometers apart, but yeah, let's go. After a quick briefing session by BMC, we set out to an 8-hour drive towards Kodaikanal. And let's not just waste our time, in the journey. Let's just jump cut to 24th August 2024, Saturday. The first thing we did after reaching there was freshen up, and then we went to have some breakfast. मैंने dosa khaya as usual, and then after that we proceeded to the trek location from where our trek would start. And we have begun the trek. Kodaikanal trek. And we have started our path. It's a 6-kilometer journey and we are going downhill. And yeah, we have our trek lead number 1. Hi. Yes, I think you can see the gang behind me. I'm not going to put any music for this one because pure nature. First we'll be trekking to the Dolphin's Nose, right?
Yes, Dolphin.
Yeah, and then after that to the campsite.
To the campsite.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Until Dolphin Nose, you'll be finding a lot of crowd.
Mm-hmm.
And then after that, you won't be, because that's a secured area where we're going. You'll have less crowd.
That's more fun then. But last time I went to Munnar, super crowded. So ruined the fun completely. मेरा vlog जाके देखो उस पे. Guess I'm not the only vlogger here.
1, 2, 3.
What? Scooter. What? Guess I'm not the only vlogger here. Nice to see that. So many.
They are new generation.
Hi sir. ये तो पूरा घर लेके आ गए. No, same.
Okay, now I'll keep.
Our trek started smoothly. We had beautiful looking roads, just nature all around, sound of birds chirping, and dodging selfie sticks, and also pretty flowers. So far the trek was looking amazing, and it was like very peaceful. It was like a nature walk, I should say. We got a viewpoint without a view. Basically, it's all covered in clouds. You can not see anything. But when it clears out, it's like a beautiful view. I took off my sunglasses to enjoy the nature better, and it is beautiful. What's up, fam? As we started descending down, the terrain got uneven, but on the other hand, it got more beautiful. The views, the atmosphere, it was just beautiful. Harsha, another viewpoint without a view. As we went further down, we came across this waterfall, which was really cool. And guys, we are at Dolphin's Nose. That's Dolphin's Nose over there. And yeah. So there's one nice view. This was Dolphin Nose, right?
This was that.
Yes, another viewpoint without a view. Visibility decreasing, and we are descending. Yeah. It's a tough rocky trail. Not tough for me, but for others, I guess. Yeah. Bro, almost fell off, man. Oh, some of the rocks are moving. So, I kind of stumbled off this one of these rocks which are moving. So yeah, but now we have like an even terrain now. I spoke too soon. The amount of silence is unsettling and also beautiful, because you don't get this in Bangalore or anywhere in urban life. This is beautiful. Worst case scenario, if it rains, this is gonna get harder, because water is gonna flow through these parts, and even the stone's gonna come in, and that's gonna make climbing harder. So hopefully it doesn't rain today. As we went further down, the trail started becoming steeper and steeper, and with that, trail started becoming more challenging. Whoa, that was close. Now the fog completely cleared. Not completely, but it's not in our face.
Actually, our village is there, okay? If we fight with some friends and all, we will take this and we'll do like this.
Nice. Don't touch these plants. The one with spokes and stuff. The rest of the trek was the same rocky, challenging paths, amazing views, lush greenery all around, which was mesmerizing, and just the same thing over and over again.
Put this in a bag,
After we were finishing dinner,
like the wrapper.
we were eating at that point.
Don't litter.
How's the Josh? Hi, sir. And now we're gonna climb and ascend. My knee's gonna be busted by the end of this trek. It's like we reached the campsite, I feel. I don't know, maybe. Looks like it. I feel we might see an amazing view right now. Hold up, I'll show it to you. Hey guys, we reached the campsite and look at the view. That's the viewpoint, and that's where it is. Guys, we'll be going to the viewpoint there. So yeah. Now we're gonna have some halal marshmallows. Yeah, and this guy. Tough. After some lunch and some much needed rest, we went down to Velagavi village, where the rules were that there were no footwear allowed. So we had to go into the village barefoot. So this village is famous for its black coffee. Chalo peete hain. So right now we are having coffee.
Black coffee now.
Hey, thank you. After a bit of sightseeing at the village, we trekked to the sunset point. And honestly, my legs had given up. But in the end, we reached. Damn. So from here you can see the village behind. You can see Kodaikanal, which is there. And then we can see our trek starting point.
The same point where
And
Where it is that?
yeah,
Tower, huh?
it was definitely a beautiful place, even when the sun was covered by the clouds. But it was getting dark. It'll get dark? Okay. So I'm gonna turn off my camera so that we reach down safely and finish the vlog. So yeah, he's gone also. He's going, he's running off. Once we reached back to the campsite, we had a campfire and we had some marshmallows. It's not a camping trek if it's no marshmallows, so. Oh, hey guys, we have to have dinner. But I will stop this vlog now and we'll continue, this vlog in a part 2. मतलब जो भी journey जो बची है. So, see ya. Like, comment, share, subscribe. अगर तुमको ऐसे वीडियोस पसंद आए तो लाइक करना, सब्सक्राइब करना, शेयर करना, जो भी करना बट करना. तो see ya.